Nomination, maybe appointment of the Inspector General of Police is one of the major positions that in our country is highly regarded and respected. Mr. Speaker, the feeling I have is that in our republic, even when as a country we have done exceptionally well when it came to performing internationally. And Mr. Speaker, because of the institutional memory, many of my friends here may not know that or remember that Kenya is actually the country that provided security teams from the Kenyan Police Service to go to Namibia to set up their police system after their independence. Kenya did the same in Zimbabwe. Kenya did the same in Rwanda. And right now, Kenya is in Haiti. Internationally, we've kept a highly respectful kind of engagement, and people have known us as a country that believes in the rule of law and a country that has performed quite reasonably well when it came to our police service. But then, Mr. Speaker, one of the things that I have observed, and I happen to be very lucky because I've been around for quite a while, the police service that we have right now is actually dysfunctional. One of the issues that I would like to raise, and my colleagues and friends here have raised this issue, Mr. Speaker, is that you can't have a police officer who stays in a mud hut with him and his colleagues, even sharing rooms with their wives. We can't have a police service, Mr. Speaker, where a police officer sometimes is transferred unilaterally because he has annoyed some big person somewhere where their rights are violated. We can't have a police service where I keep talking about their salary for obvious reasons, because I would spend most probably a whole day discussing how we have mistreated our police service. And yet indeed, because of this dysfunctionality, Mr. Speaker, the police service, the Kenyan police service, has failed us miserably. The recent events that you saw happen, my colleagues have talked about unilateral arrests. Mr. Speaker, if you look at it right now, a gentleman called Jimmy Wanjigi was arrested. His house was demolished. And these are issues that I would like to seek in this house and to my brothers. I remember when Cherargei was being arrested some 3 years ago, and he was screaming, saying, oh my God, Mr. Speaker, what is going to happen to me? These people came at 5 o'clock in the morning. Mr. Speaker, at that time when Cherargei was speaking, Senator Cherargei was speaking and crying, I thought he had lost his mind. Mr. Speaker, I would like to encourage Mr. Kanja
Mr. Speaker, I stand under Standing Order 101 and 105 on statement of fact. Mr. Speaker, is it in order to go on the answer of this house that I was yelling and crying? Me, I'm a dry Kalenjin man who was circumcised in 3 a.m. in the morning. Is it in order for the senator of Kisii to insinuate I was crying? In fact, I was arrested naked, but I've never cried about it, Mr. Speaker. Can you apologize to me and the great men of Nandi and the people of Nandi, Mr. Speaker, in the spirit of Koitalel Samoe and the Talai, Mr. Speaker?